In this video, I will show you how to lock your Instagram profile picture. So first of all, let's open Instagram. Then go to our profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile section, click on this three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down below until you see account privacy. Click on it. Here you can set your account from public to private. Here there is a private account option. Turn it on. Then click switch to private. And now your account will be set to private, and in some cases you will find allow profile picture expansion button here. If that is on, then turn it off and you're set. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.